Hey there, welcome and welcome back to Daisy's Stews. So I'm going to show you step by step how I use rice water and give you some very important facts and tips. So make sure you have your notepad and pen on hand and watch the video all the way to the end because it's always lit up in here. So the first step you want to make is to wash your hair thoroughly on pre-pooed hair. I've already done a thorough video on it and I will link it in the cards above and the comment section below. You want to make sure that your hair is as clean as possible, as you want the rice water to work on an unclogged scalp and hair. So as y'all know, anything good comes with care, instructions, and T's and C's always apply. Let me tell you guys something. You do not want to make a mistake with rice water. It is absolutely important for you to pay attention to the following things I'm about to say. So with that notebook that you already have and that pen you already have in your hand, it's time to get noting. So as you soon discover, rice water is a protein treatment. So the first thing you need to put into consideration is whether your hair is protein sensitive or not. Usually when your hair is protein sensitive, usually after you've used a protein treatment, your hair becomes dry, brittle, and not susceptible to product. The second step you want to take is to warm up your rice water to help it sink into your hair faster. Now I have low porosity hair, so this is very important for me. Now ladies, I know how exciting it can be for you to know that there is a product out there that can really help to grow your hair really fast, but too much of anything is not good for you. So please use rice water with caution and patience, otherwise you'll be joining the rice water dried and broke my hair gang, and you don't want that. Now for the step you've been waiting for, the application of the rice water. Now using a spray bottle, I'm going to start spraying the rice water on my scalp and shaft and massaging it in, starting from the top and then sectioning my hair down so that every bead of my scalp and hair can get some of that rice water. So now we can get into some of the benefits of rice water. Now rice water has got an ingredient called inositol. This is the ingredient that stays on your hair and continues to work even after you've rinsed the water out. Inositol also gives your hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage. Rice water also has an ingredient called folic acid. Now folic acid helps to really strengthen your hair, and if you've been looking to get thicker hair, this might also aid you in getting that thicker hair. Rice water also contains an ingredient called selenium. Selenium is great for hair growth and is also amazing at reducing dandruff. So girl, if you've been struggling with dandruff, you should probably try rice water. So another ingredient that rice water has that is tailored towards hair growth is magnesium. Now magnesium also has a place in hair growth as it promotes hair growth, or let me say the regeneration of hair growth from dormant follicles. Guys, I don't know how many times I just said hair growth, but I guess you get the point. So finally, the last one but not least, guys, rice water has so many benefits and so many vitamins and minerals. Just to mention a few others that I haven't mentioned, it has all the vitamins from vitamins B1 to vitamin B6 as well as vitamin K. Doing a rice water treatment literally feels like you are giving your hair the food, all the food it needs, like giving it a multivitamin. Okay ladies, so like what I said previously in the video, rice water is a protein treatment. Rice water contains about 16% of protein, which is about the same amount of protein you get from an egg treatment. So that is very important. So to balance the protein out with moisture, we're going to go straight into a moisturizing deep conditioner. Now I'm going to be using this anti-Jackie's moisturizing and softening conditioner. You can also use a DIY conditioner. I'm going to I'm going to link it in the cards above and the description box below. I've got a recipe on that already. If you'd like a detailed deep conditioning routine, smash that like button and I'll know that you guys are definitely interested. I'm also going to make a video centered on how you can use rice water in a protective style, so stay tuned for that by hitting the subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. So when I'm through with applying my deep conditioner, I'm going to let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes in a plastic bag with indirect heat. Very important ladies, especially if you have low porosity hair. You can now go straight into moisturizing your hair. Now if you have any questions, tips or opinions on rice water, list them down in the comment section below and let us all ponder on it, and maybe I could do a video on it as well where I get to answer all those questions, all those burning questions you have. So this is my hair all rinsed out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share. See y'all in the next one.